Hello, I am back and I'm very happy to read this book to you. It's called Save Paper, Save Trees, and it was written by Nancy Jolson. Look at that beautiful picture on the woods. But there's something that kind of makes me happy, and it's this truck with all the wood. And I'm going to tell you why there are these trees on this truck. Let's find out. Look around your house. Take a look. Go up and to the side. Look all the way around. You will find lots of things made of paper. Even this book is made of paper. So tell me, how many things around your house are made of paper? A lot, yes. At home, you can find lots of things made of paper. Where does all that paper come from? Paper is made from trees. Did you know that? It takes many trees to make the paper people use. Trees from this forest will be cut into logs. So that's the picture that I was showing you. So these trees, when they cut them, they take them to a factory and they turn them into paper. These logs will be sent to a paper mill and made into paper. How can people help to save trees? So maybe we're not that convinced with the idea of making so much paper out of trees. Now, luckily, nowadays, there are so many options. You know that there's banana paper, and there is also paper made from leaves and a lot of things, or paper made from old paper. That is called recycling. We talk a lot about recycling in Bula, and we're definitely going to talk about it this week. But what can we do to save some trees? In some places, workers collect paper for recycling. Recycling is making new things from old things. Isn't that great? Making new things from old things. Sometimes people bring paper to a recycling center and they sort paper over there, and there are kids doing it. See, everyone can be part of this to make the earth a better place. Old paper is recycled into new paper at a mill. Look and see how it is done. I'm going to show you a little bit closer. Old paper is chopped up. Chop. The chopped paper is mixed with hot water and it becomes a mush called pulp. Look. Do you think you can write something there? I don't think so, not yet. The pulp, then it's clean and the water is pressed out. So from being something really wet and liquid, it's going to become dry because the water is going to be pressed out. And then that pulp is made into paper. The paper comes out in rolls. Look at these huge paper rolls. We have a lot of paper rolls in Bula, right? Where we paint and when we do all of our crafts. But this is really big. I have never seen one this big. You saw how recycling old paper into new paper helps to save trees. So if these kids, just like you, are using recycled paper, that's even better because we are helping save the earth. You can help to save trees too if you use less paper. After you're done with the paper, use the other side. Don't we always tell you that? That you draw something and you scrabble, and then you say, I'm done. And you still have a universe of blank paper to fill. Or you can flip the page, the paper, and use the other side. Or sometimes we use half of it and we can cut it and save the other half. I use a lot of recycled paper, and that's a great way to save trees and to make the earth a better place. Other ideas are when you wipe dishes, instead of using a paper towel, we can use a cloth towel, so we don't have to waste that much paper. A paper towel is thrown out, but a cloth towel can be used again. And look at this kid helping at home. Are you helping at home? I am sure you are. And if not, give it a try. It is so fun to be part of the things that we have to do at home to keep it pretty and clean and safe. We can also save the paper on gifts you get. After, you can use the paper again. So whenever it's our birthday and we get a present and we get it wrapped in paper or in a bag, we can then use that paper for something else, or maybe to give another present, or if it has some pictures, to cut them and make a collage. There's so many things that we can do that I want you to think about it this week and try different things with recycled paper. We take out the paper carefully and we can use it again. And these are all kids showing us what we can do. We can use paper shopping bags more than one time. And now in New York, finally, we're not getting plastic bags, which are also not so good for the earth, but we're going to talk about that another day. And now we're using paper bags, or even better, a cloth, a fabric bag, which is the best to save the earth. But if we use a paper bag, we can use it many times, and we can use it for many different things. You can make something new from something old. We do that all the time. Paper towel rolls and yarn and crayons and whatever we find, bottles, cans, we turn it into something else. Here is a terrific creation made from an old box. Look at that. It's so pretty. You know what I used to love to do on an old box? A theater stage with puppets. Maybe we can do that in a few weeks. I'll think about it and I'll remember how I used to do it, and maybe we can do one. But here they did something else. It's like a landscape with rainbows and an ocean and fish, and you can do and it can be an ongoing project. You don't have to do it super fast and then throw it away. You can keep adding and adding and adding. So now I want you to think about ways you can use to save paper. You can collect paper for recycling. You can use less paper or reuse. You can make new things from old things. And now I want you to give me your ideas to save paper. So for today, this is over, my friends. I can't wait to hear from you. Remember, listen to your grown-ups. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Eat your fruits and vegetables to be strong and healthy. Take care of yourself and also take care of others. And be kind. Always, always be kind. We're going to continue talking about the earth all week. In the meantime, I send you lots of blood kisses and a big, 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 big hug. I love you with all my heart, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, my friends.